Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share your live location on your iPhone using WhatsApp's latest feature. Whether you're meeting up with friends, coordinating a family gathering, or just want to let someone know where you are, this feature is incredibly useful and easy to use. For this, first of all, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Then click on group or individual to whom you want to share live location. Then click on plus icon at the bottom left corner. Next, select location. If you get this pop-up, then click on settings. Tab on location. Next, choose always to allow WhatsApp to access your location. Now come back to WhatsApp. By default, it will point your current location. You can scroll below to see location nearby, and if you want to point that location, then you can tab on it. For now, I want to share my current pinned location, so I will click on share the location. Select the duration for which you want to share your live location, either 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. I will share for 1 hour, so I will select it. Next, you can add caption to the live location and then click on send icon. Once you've shared your location, you'll see a map with your location pin in the chat. Now that particular group or individual will see your live location. To stop sharing your live location, tap on the map within the chat and then tap stop sharing. In this way, you can share live location in iPhone WhatsApp. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.